If I give you Photoshop, Canva, and this AI thumbnail maker, only one of them consistently creates thumbnails people actually click. And once you see why, you'll understand why thumbnails are changing. Most creators think thumbnails are about design, but in reality, thumbnails are about what catches attention instantly. If it doesn't stop the scroll, nothing else matters. Take a look at these thumbnails. They're simple, clear, and easy to understand at a glance. You don't need to analyze them, they just work. What most people don't realize is, good thumbnails usually follow a few quiet rules, even when they look effortless. The challenge is applying those rules quickly without overthinking every detail. That's where this AI thumbnail maker fits in. It doesn't replace creativity, it helps guide it. Instead of guessing what might work, you start with something that already makes visual sense. Stay till the end of this video, because after the walkthrough, I'll show you one specific feature and how to use it to create thumbnails like the ones you just saw. Once you understand that part, making strong thumbnails becomes much easier. Go to Supabix and click Create Your Thumbnail. Here you'll see 5 features: text to thumbnail, multi-image edit, recreate, face swap, and edits. We'll start with recreate. Here's how I recreated a Mr. Beast thumbnail I liked. I copied the link of the thumbnail, pasted it into the tool, clicked Fetch Thumbnail, then use this image. From here you can choose whether you want the creativity level to be high or low. Low creativity lightly enhances the original design. High creativity makes strong, eye-catching changes without completely losing the original look and feel. And you can also select the style you want: default, realistic, cartoon, artistic, or futuristic. We'll go with default style. Click Generate, and you instantly get your recreated Mr. Beast style thumbnail. Next, let's move to face swap. Let's say I want to replace Ronaldo's face with Mr. Beast's. Upload the thumbnail, select Mr. Beast's face, click Save and Continue, then upload Ronaldo's face. Click Generate, and you get your thumbnail with Ronaldo's face swapped in perfectly. Now let's move to text to thumbnail. You can either write a detailed prompt yourself or get a prompt from an AI tool like ChatGPT. Give your prompt to Supabix, pick the aspect ratio, a 16:9 landscape, 9:16 portrait, 1:1 square, or a 4:5 portrait classic layout. Since we're making a YouTube thumbnail, we'll go with the 16:9 landscape option. Then select your style: realistic, cartoon, artistic, or futuristic. We'll go with the realistic style. Click Generate and watch it bring your idea to life. Here's the prompt that created this thumbnail. Next, let's go to edits. Let's say I want to change the scene from day to night and add a helicopter with a spotlight shining on the people. I upload the thumbnail, describe the changes I want, and Supabix applies them accurately and cleanly. Finally, we go to the multi-image edit feature. Upload your target image, then upload the reference image, describe how you want them merged, and the tool blends them seamlessly and perfectly. And that's it! That's one way to create thumbnails that look clean, clear, and clickable, without turning it into a complicated process. You don't have to overthink design. You don't have to start from zero every time. Once you get used to this flow, making thumbnails feels a lot easier. I'll leave it there.